Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys have an amazing day like always. Today we're gonna go do an ear test or exam on Isabella, because I don't know if you guys know this, but I said when I was at the hospital giving birth, I said that Isabella didn't pass the ear test on her both ears. I think it was both ears. She didn't pass it. So they're gonna do an exam to see if she can actually hear or not. So I'm just gonna take you guys along. Hopefully she passes everything, because it's gonna be really sad if she doesn't. But hopefully she does, and we just wait in God that she does pass and everything goes well. So that's what we'll be doing today. It's so hot, really hot, really warm weather today. So it's gonna be amazing. So that's gonna be pretty much it for today. Not for today. Really sorry. No, but no longer talking. Let's go to the appointment. Alright, here we are. Here we are. I'm gonna put you guys in the pocket because I don't want to carry you guys, and I'm gonna carry Isabella. You can just hear what I say. Right in through there.
This must be Isabella?
Yes.
Oh, right. Can I get her insurance card?
Oh, it's in the car. I'll go get it.
Okay. Alright, so just need to draw that part. Sign your name there. And then I need one more signature right here, and that's just for our hip or non-disclosure form.
Oh yeah.
Didn't mean to. Didn't mean to wake you up. I'm sorry. I know. I'm sorry. Didn't mean to make you mad. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, love. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry, I am. I didn't mean it. I didn't. I'm so sorry. I am. I am so sorry. I didn't mean it. I didn't. Yes, I know. I know. Look, it's just yes, I'd be mad at me too. I poked at you. Oh, I'm so sorry, little one. I know. I'm sorry. I am. I'm so sorry. Oh my God.
Alright, so it's been like 2 or 3 hours since we went to the appointment, and everything was fine. She passed both ears, so that's pretty excited. Yeah, she didn't really like the thing in her ear, so the lady told me to hold her for it to be more easy. So I held her, and then yeah, she did that thing. She put it in the ear, and then she passed both. She did this one and then this one, and she passed both, so that's good. We are with Calvin.
I have no shirt on.
And his house.
Hey.
Just having a good time, and yeah, so.
Have they been asking why I haven't been on?
No. No, why you wanna say why you haven't been on?
The reason why I haven't been on, I've been working a lot. So yeah.
What are you working?
I'm gonna do construction.
And what are you doing right now?
I'm doing the house.
What are you doing to the house?
I'm remodeling it.
And you like it?
Yeah, it's okay. Sorry.
How many weeks have you been working there?
2 weeks.
Really?
Yeah.
It feels like more like 3.
It's going on. Well, it's going on 3 now.
Oh.
By Monday, it'll be 3 weeks.
And how did you get the job?
Really? I thought you already told them.
No, I didn't say nothing.
Her. I don't know how you did it. Who was it? I can't remember.
Okay, who told you about the job then?
Oh, you.
Okay. Yeah. I just gave the number to Calvin, and then he did everything else. Then he called the guy, and he got that job like that.
So are you gonna tell them about your grooming job?
Well, not yet, because I don't know if I'm gonna get it or not. But I did apply to places, and so Friday got my interview, and I'm not gonna take y'all because like I don't want to be so awkward, you know. And this is my first day going, so I'm just gonna go by myself.
You see this?
And then I'll let you guys know how it went and everything like that. But we're both gonna officially have jobs. Isn't that just amazing? Calvin?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This kid gets into everything.
I was just waiting until Isabella was about 3 months. She's almost 3 months, so that's good. So yeah. She's doing really good at bottle feeding, so that's good for me to get her to do that, because you know if I do go and work and stuff, she's gonna have to take the bottle. So she's still working on it. She's liking it more, I think, because I've been giving her a bunch of bottles now. But I think she's doing fine. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now, just with Calvin, and then I don't know what we're gonna do later, but that's about it.
Oh, I need to show you the lawnmower that I got up running so you can get your grandpa.
Oh, okay. All right, guys. That's pretty much it. I'll see what else we'll record. You want to explain
What we're doing out
what the heck we're doing out here?
here? Catfishing.
What?
Catfishing.
We're catfishing, guys. So Calvin got this new pole. So Calvin really thinks he's gonna get a catfish.
They only bite at night.
They only bite at night. What is that for?
So you can see at night.
Oh. Oh. Wow. So the baby is inside the car. I didn't want to get her off because it's not really cold, but it's not warm either. It was pretty warm today, but it's really kind of getting dark, so it gets a little cool in the dark time. So we're right here in this little creek. Calvin thinks there's catfish here. There's definitely frogs here.
I know there's catfish.
Cause you've seen them before, the frogs. Oh yeah. And there's little ducks over there. And I have here Abraham. You guys might think where Christian is. Well, he's at home sleeping. What?
There's deer.
Oh yeah, I see him. Wow. They're all the way over there. You can't see them on camera though. I don't know if you could in that. But there's somebody coming, and it gets kind of awkward. Man, this pole is long. How many, how do you say? How many, what? How many feet? 7? Dang. Well, there's a car over there. I'm not going to record the car because it's kind of awkward. But this is what we're going to be doing. Let's see if we actually get something. Well, Calvin is the one that's doing this, not me. So let's see if he actually gets something. So how do you turn that on? So you light up something, and then.
It's kind of hard to do this with one person.
Oh really? So you light up a little paper, and since it's probably windy, that's why it doesn't want to do it. Okay, there we go. There you go. Put a little gas.
Son of a bitch. I have to sit down and do this.
Man, all that smoke. They're probably gonna think we're doing some firework or something. Oh, so there you go, there you go.
Get it going.
So where do you put it in from?
Here.
Oh.
Oh, fucking. Go
Oh
in.
my gosh.
Oh, yeah, it's too big.
Dang.
Re-strategize.
Oh yeah, and Calvin shaved, guys. I don't know if you guys can tell, but he did. He looks like a little baby.
Re-strategize here on this.
You doing it again?
Yeah, it was too big. So I wasn't fitting.
Oh, this is a little creek. Night fishing.
Damn
It doesn't want to, huh?
it. No, it keeps going on.
So there's somebody in the back. I don't know if you guys can tell. Can you see that car over there? Yeah, so look at the little duckies. I don't know if you guys can see the ducks. They're right there. I don't know if you guys can see them. It's kind of, oh yeah, right there. Look at them. They're right there. There's 2 or 3. Oh, there you go. There you go. Ooh, having a blast. You lost it.
Yep.
Yeah, that's Calvin. That's what Calvin does. Lose stuff. Alright guys, that was the end of today's vlog. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. And this is the whole next day. So it's the next day. So yesterday was the vlog I did. So that's gonna be it for today. Hope you guys really enjoy the video. And like always, do what you do. Subscribe. Oh, and go check out my first channel that I made. If you love animals. That's gonna be for today. Like always, God bless. Goodbye.